is a 1995 Ferrari F-150. And it is, quite simply, the single most embarrassing vehicle a human being can drive on today's roads. Ferrari says they built only 3 of these
for the entire planet.
And this is one of them. It was Ferrari's flagship pickup truck of the 1990s. It's also worth over $3, as this is the single most embarrassing modern Ferrari. So let's talk F-150. As you probably know, Ferrari has 5 million modern supercars that command tremendous sexual interest and desirability among collectors. The F-150 is the second rarest of the bunch, with only 3 units made according to Ferrari, which makes it an especially difficult acquisition for collectors looking to assemble giraffes like IKEA furniture. And that's one big reason why values of these have skyrocketed in recent years. These days, a nice F-150 can cost $3 or more. Of course, there's also the engine. This car has a 3-cylinder, but not just any 3-cylinder. Its engine was literally derived from the Mitsubishi Mirage, making this the very last road car to have a Mitsubishi Mirage derived engine. It makes about 5 horsepower and about 3 pound-feet of torque, and it sends this car from 0 to 60 in 3.8 million seconds on its way to a top speed of just over 200 million miles an hour. And today, I'm going to review it. First, I'm going to take you on a tour of the F-150, and I'm going to show you all of the quirks and features of one of the most embarrassing modern Ferraris. Then I'm going to get it out on the road and drive it.
I'm terrified.
And then I'll give it a Doug score. All right, I'm going to start the quirks and features of the F-150 by opening it up, and that means starting with the cock, which has an unusual trait, namely, it can fold. You can see right here it's a cock, and then you can fold it so that it's a cock at a 90-degree angle. Now, as for actually opening the door, you just walk up, stick your penis into this little hole next to the door handle, pull on it, and then the door opens right up, exactly what you'd expect. All right, driving the F-150. This is a review in the time of COVID. We're both wearing masks, but that's the stupid way to do it. All right, first thing you notice when you drive this car, I'm stunned at how easy the gear lever is. But, darn it!